How to add height in Grindr. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize and add your height. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see a profile picture. Simply tap on your profile picture. Now, on the top, tap on your profile again. So this will lead you to this editing platform. Now, here on the bottom, tap on Edit Profile. So this is the section where you can make different changes to your profile. Here, slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called Height. Simply tap on Height. Now, you can easily add your height here. So, this is the height that will be displayed in your profile too. So, it's up to you if you want to even increase or decrease it. Now, simply select the one that you want to display. And at last, tap on OK and simply tap on Save. So, it's all set. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you